the sales manager in Weitai Hydraulic. You might have seen the hydraulic rotary actuators for many times in different applications. But do you know how an actuator is built? Today, follow us. We will show you step by step.
The production of an actuator starts from the raw materials. All the raw materials stocked here were tested and qualified. We label each batch to make sure they are traceable. Here's the machining center. There is a file for all the detailed production procedures, including the craft card, detailed drawings, and other related technical information. We will test the first piece in each batch of production. Only qualified can be in the next step. All the core parts, including the housing, the shaft, and the piston, are machined in the CNC machining centers. The backlash in the gear set can reach 0.5 degrees. It means the top accuracy level in this industry. All the parts will be heat-treated to strengthen the hardness. The heating temperature will depend on the different material. That's the reason why our actuators are more durable and high reliable for hard working conditions. Here's the welding center. All the parts will be heated to the best welding temperature by this oven before the welding process. It can ensure the welding strength and quality. We use the automatic welding robot to increase stability and working efficiency. After the deburr cleaning and inspection, the parts will be assembled here. We make 100% pressure test for each actuator, including the check of liquid, rotation, and torque. The final procedure of a rotary actuator is painting. The color can be customized by the customer's requirement. The finished actuators will be packed and stocked here. Normally, we keep a safe inventory for popular models to make the fast delivery in 3 days. For the customized models, the lead time is about 20 to 30 days. Now, our production capacity can reach 3,000 units per month.
Well, this is the whole process of the production. If you want to know more information about the hydraulic rotary actuator, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your watch. See you next time.